Hi, Vanessa DeBurlet here, and I want to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video and then how to upload it. Typically, when you make a video, YouTube will select 3 different images or shots from your video, 3 that they think might be good, and you do have the option to go in and choose one of those so it will be the one that's on the front page when you post it. You can go in and make your own. You see how many people do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that using a program called Canva, www.canva.com. It's free. And you can actually design anything in here. But today we're just going to design the thumbnail print for your YouTube. As you can see, when you come in, it says create a design. There's all kinds of social media choices. If you scroll down, I just want you to see what this does. There's tons of things that Canva will help you design. You can do birthday invitations, wedding invitations, and all kinds of things for social media. Now, I don't see anything here for YouTube, so I'm going to select the little arrow to the right until I see YouTube come up. And there it is, YouTube thumbnail. So select that, and Canva will create your design at the correct size that you need for the YouTube video, for the thumbnail. So we're going to select that. Off to the left, you see that there's templates. These are all for the thumbnail. They're already sized for you. There's different designs that you can use, or you can go in and start from scratch. There's one tab here, it says background. You can start and do your own with your own colors. You can come up with your own text. You can add elements. For the sake of this lesson, we're just going to do a template so it will go faster. And I'm going to choose this one here. It's pretty simple. Now, I don't want to use this picture. Of course, I want to use one of my own. And I'm going to go down to uploads. You can upload anything you want from your desktop, and I've already got my picture ready to go. If you want any picture you want, just hit upload an image and it comes right in here. When you're ready to use it, just select the picture and then resize it. And over here, network, it says beginner's guide. I'm going to change that to the name of your channel. I'm just going to say name of channel. And then you're going to put here the Canadian Rockies. I'm going to put the name of your video. And then underneath, if you want to say, something extra, you can go ahead and add font or add some words there. I'm not going to change it, but there you go. It's that simple. You don't have to start from scratch. That takes a lot of time. And if you're just new, you want to take as many shortcuts as you want. Then you're going to download your new thumbnail to your desktop. You just hit download. I've already made one, and I do have one that I do want to change in YouTube. So now I'm going to go over to YouTube, and I'm going to go into Creator Studio so that my videos will pop up. There we go. We have a slow connection here. All right, so we'll go under Creator Studio. And then I'm going to go under Video Manager, which they're already here. So I'm going to go down here to this one, the third one down, and I'm going to select Edit. I'm not going to hit the drop down. I'm hitting the Edit button. How to repost on Instagram. I made a thumbnail for it. And as you can see, I had these 3 choices that were given to me from YouTube, and instead I made my own. So it says right here, custom thumbnail. Just select that link, and then you can upload it from your desktop. It will give you that option. So I select the thumbnail that I had made previously, and it will upload right here. After you're finished, you want to select Save Changes. It may take a few seconds to save, so right after you select Save, it might not pop right up. Actually, sometimes if you leave the site and come back, I notice sometimes it will be there. If you just want it to be here instantly, sometimes it's not. And there you go. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a PowerPoint slide for you where I put all the steps so that you can take a quick snapshot of that. All right, so that'll help you remember what steps to go through. This is only how to download your thumbnail. Just go into Canva. It's pretty user friendly. If you just follow the steps, even if you're not real techie, I think you can create something pretty neat. All right, have a great day, and I hope you learned something new today.